This is the Nala of Jaglot. It is a very beautiful view. It is located on the Karakoram Highway Jaglot. Local peoples and tourists come here for swimming and fishing in summer. From here, the world's highest peak, Nanga Parbat, the Killer Mountain, also looks very clear. At this place, tourists which coming from Islamabad stop to reduce the fatigue of a long journey. For a while, watching these beautiful and breathtaking views gives such relief to the heart that one forgets all the fatigue and gets lost in the charms of nature. I will be happy to see you at this beautiful and breathtaking place. May you always be happy. Allah Hafiz.